Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I stumbled inside of the Dollar Tree like I always do and I picked up a few goodies. Honestly, 90% of this haul is going to be Christmas related. Christmas is one of me and my family's favorite holidays. One of my older son's birthday is really close to Christmas, so he likes to celebrate Christmas like in a major way. He likes the house to be decorated, he likes ornaments, just all of this stuff. So when I picked up all of this stuff, I really have my son in mind, because yeah, he just loves Christmas decorations and ornaments and stuff. So I'm going to share with you some of the items I picked up today. So I'm going to start off with this basket right here, and I thought it was super cute, and it looks like a little elf basket. It's red with the little gold buckle, and it has the little elf, you know, design around right here. They also had this in green, but I think the red one to me looked a lot better, so this is the one that I picked up. You guys remember last year everybody was going crazy for the angel wing ornaments that had the faux fur on it. Well, here is an angel. She is blowing an instrument and she has faux fur on her wings on both sides. So they had this in silver. Of course I picked up gold. I just thought this was super cute, and so yeah, now what I will say is it looks like they kind of threw it together. I'm gonna try to fix it up and, you know, cut around where I feel like it's too much fabric at, you know, underneath the faux fur. But for $1, I thought this was super cute. These next items, I was not going to leave Dollar Tree without these. They are beautiful, and I do not, all the years that I've been going to Dollar Tree, I do not remember seeing these. These are so pretty, and I picked up 3 of them. Hopefully the light doesn't blind you guys. Look at that. These are some gold snowflake candle holders. Beautiful. I'm trying not to blind you guys, but look at how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. And then it has the bottom part for the candle to sink down inside. So of course, you guys, I picked up multiples. I'll probably regret it later. I really should have picked up more of these, because I know when I go back these will probably be gone. So this is the style of pattern for the gold ones. I also picked up some silver ones. Let me show you. And then I also picked up 3 silver ones, and here's the 3 of them. I'll sit those 2 down, and this is the silver pattern. You see that? Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love that. I love that. And like I said, I know I'm gonna kick my butt for not picking up some more, but hopefully when I go back to Dollar Tree, a different store may have them. If they do, I know for sure I'm gonna pick up some more of those. But today I picked up 6. I picked up some more candle holders because they were so cute. Here's this one. This one just reminds me so much of like Bath and Body Works. You know how they put the scent thing in the back for you to plug in the wall? That's what these remind me of. But these are really nice. They are kind of big, and they have the little area back here for you to put your candle in. So I picked up the snowman. They did have Santa. I didn't pick up Santa. I picked up the green tree. Super cute with the gold star. And I had to pick up this cutie right here. Super cute. Look at him with his little hat. Oh my goodness. So these definitely were coming home with me. I also got this LED light up tree like this, and I don't know if I turn it on if you guys will be able to see the lights. You can't. Yeah, you can. You can see the lights flickering on the inside, and it's changing colors kind of quickly. But look at that, different light patterns. You can see the red, the green, purple, blue. So cute. And then see how it slows down and then it flashes faster. And I picked up the one in silver just because it stood out to me. They did have it in gold as well, but I just thought in this case the silver one was super cute. Some more LED lights that I picked up were these 4 right here. These are pretty big. They are really nice. Look at how sparkly these are. They are gorgeous, and they say that they are LED lights. So let me see. I didn't even try it out. So it has the tab in here that you need to remove. And I picked up 4 because you guys know I always say I have 4 kids. So it'll represent them. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I love that. And I picked up 4 of them. Oh my gosh. See, Dollar Tree is showing out, you guys. Look at that. And it has the different light pattern just like the other one. And how you turn it on is the part where the string is at. It has a turn. So you just turn it on and off. And it says on and off on the top. So these were actually not, in case anybody's looking for these, because they're really big and nice. These look like they would be more than $1. But just in case you're looking for them, they were not in the Christmas section. I found these actually by the front register. I always pick up a headband or something because you guys, if you've been following me for a long time, sometimes when it's close to Christmas, I will wear these. These are so cute to me. They look like little bug antlers or bug antennas or whatever, and they are kind of movable. So I picked up this one. I did get a couple packs of Christmas stickers. I got these. Very, very pretty. They say joy. They have the snowflakes and the ornaments. You have a Santa Claus down here riding a sleigh, the candy cane. I picked up that one. Then I picked up this set right here with the cute little Santa Clauses and everything on that, and the reindeers. This one, I think these were there last year, but I like the Christmas stickers, so I picked up this set also with the gingerbread men, the gingerbread houses. They're really, really pretty. Sorry for that glare. And yeah, so I got those. And then my favorite set that I picked up, and these are by Crafter's Square. And I'm going to send these to my sister because she loves butterflies. And look at that. The gems on, these are like gem stickers, and look at how pretty that looks. So I only picked up 1 pack of those, and then I picked up 2 packs of these because these are just pretty, pretty, pretty. I'll sit one down, but these are some really pretty rainbows with the big rhinestones at the bottom. Really cute. I love those. So I picked up 2 packs of those. Now let me backtrack back to Christmas because I still have some Christmas stuff. So let me show you guys. I went sign crazy. They had so many cute signs. I could not possibly pick them up all, and unfortunately my camera was acting up in the store, so I did not take any pictures, but I did pick up a lot of signs. So I got this one. I love this one. It looks like an ornament. I like that the top part, hold on, I'm holding these in my lap. I like that the top part looks kind of like metal, like it has the metal up here, and it just says let it snow. So then the next one I picked up was this one, and it says 'tis the season. I love how it has 2 different looks at the top and the bottom and the different colors on it. I love that. So I picked up this one. Then I got this snowman. He is adorable. And this right here, this part of his hat is actually textured, and up here it feels like it's kind of felt. So it's softer up here, and then it's like kind of textured right here on this part. But he is cute, so he came home with me. And then the next one was this one. It says the elf made me do it. This is so funny and so cute. I had to get this one as well. We are not done. I still have like 3 more signs, and just in case you guys want to know, if I don't, whatever signs I don't keep, if my mom comes over, you guys always know I tell you whenever there's something extra that I have, I will pass it along to any family members. Sometimes my cousin may stop by with her kids. They see something they wanted, I let them take it. So just in case you're like, what's she gonna do with all them signs? Oh, I'm gonna use a couple of them, but you know, I always pass along stuff to my family. So, and they love it. They love it because they're like, you found that at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, so this is the next one, and I really, really, really like this one. And it says there's no place like home, and I just love this one. And then here is another one that says oh dear, Christmas is here, and he is super happy. He's playing with lights, super cute. I love how it looks like it has the stitching around the outside part. Just super cute. Dollar Tree is just blowing me away with all of these cute signs. And the last one is this one that says have a cup of cheer. And you know, Dollar Tree likes to put the this print on like the little gift bags and certain things. I think there's even this print on some oven mitts or something like that. So they finally put it on a, you know, for a picture for you to hang it up. I think that is so cute. So I had to pick that up. Look at the different cups of coffee. This is so cute, and it has a lot of glitter in it too, just so you know. But yes, I had to get all these signs. We are almost done, you guys. I just have a couple more things to share with you. In my last video when I showed the Bolero stuff, I did not pick up, well, the store actually didn't have the wipes in the cranberry and sweet orange. They only had them in the coconut and vanilla. So I picked up 2 packs of those wipes. Today I found them at a different store with the cranberry and sweet orange. So I picked up 2 packs of wipes, and I really like these. There is 30 of them in there, and I do like the Bolero wipes a lot. Then I saw these eyeliners, and they are glitter. It says shimmer eyeliners, and I've never seen LA Colors with the eyeliner that's shaped like that. It's kind of pointy at the tip. I've never seen them shaped like that at all. So that was interesting. But one is Navy Flash right here, and this one says Sparkly Black. So I picked up both of these. Then I saw these new brands of dog treats that I have never seen in Dollar Tree. So I picked up the 3 that I saw, and what they are is, it says oven baked duck jerky strips. It says real duck is the #1 ingredient, no artificial flavors, long-lasting chews, and it's by it's Dollar Tree brand, but it says it's their Kennel Club. So this is 1 pack that I picked up. Then I also picked up these that say beef hide kebabs, and they look like little beef kebabs. They're kind of cute. I like that. So I picked up that one. And then the last one I grabbed was the sweet potato wrapped with, I almost bit my, I dang near bit my top lip. I hate that. But this one is sweet potato wrapped with chicken. And so yeah, I picked those up. And then the last food items, and then we'll be done, is I picked up 2 of these bottles. I have never seen these in Dollar Tree either. And I'm not big on lemon tea. I don't really like lemon tea, so I picked these up for the kids to see if they're gonna like them. I do like Nestea, but I just like black tea, not with lemon. It's something about the aftertaste. I just can't get with it. But these are Nestea lemon, and they are 23 fluid ounces. And last but not least, I picked up these Forelli Italian ladyfingers, and these are usually in Dollar Tree every year. I know for the past couple years I've been seeing them, but these are really, really nice. I like to use these like when I do a strawberry shortcake, and so I picked up a pack of these because I plan on making that this weekend. And that is it, you guys. That is all of my Christmas stuff that I picked up today from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I have to go find some more of the snowflake candle holders. I'm sitting here and I'm like, girl, why you didn't pick up a couple more? But that's always the case, and that'll be the reason for me to go back to another Dollar Tree. Thank you guys all for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.